CCTV installation is the process of setting up and connecting security cameras to a recording device. CCTV stands for closed-circuit television, and it is a system that uses cameras to monitor an area and record footage. There are many reasons why you might need to install CCTV cameras. Some of the most common reasons include security. CCTV cameras can help to deter crime and protect your property. They can also be used to identify criminals and solve crimes after they have been committed. Safety. CCTV cameras can help to keep people safe by monitoring areas where there is a risk of accidents or injuries. For example, CCTV cameras can be used to monitor construction sites, parking lots, and playgrounds. Loss prevention. CCTV cameras can help to prevent theft and vandalism. They can also be used to track inventory and monitor employee behavior. Peace of mind. CCTV cameras can give you peace of mind knowing that your property and loved ones are being monitored. There are many different types of CCTV cameras available, so you can choose the right cameras for your needs. Some of the factors you will need to consider when choosing cameras include the type of area you want to monitor. You will need to choose cameras that are appropriate for the type of area you want to monitor. For example, if you want to monitor a large outdoor area, you will need to choose cameras with a wide field of view. The quality of the footage you need. You will need to decide how much detail you need in the footage. If you need high-quality footage for identification purposes, you will need to choose cameras with a high resolution. The cost of the cameras. CCTV cameras can range in price from a few $100s to several $1,000s. You will need to decide how much you are willing to spend on cameras. Once you have chosen the right cameras, you will need to install them. The installation process will vary depending on the type of cameras you have chosen and the location you are installing them in. However, most CCTV cameras can be installed by a professional or by yourself with a little bit of knowledge. Once the cameras are installed, you will need to connect them to a recording device. The recording device can be a DVR, digital video recorder, or an NVR, network video recorder. DVRs record footage to a hard drive, while NVRs record footage to a network. CCTV cameras can provide a valuable layer of security for your property and loved ones. By considering your needs and choosing the right cameras, you can install a CCTV system that will help to keep you safe. Here are some additional benefits of CCTV installation. Evidence. CCTV footage can be used as evidence in court cases. This can be helpful in resolving disputes and identifying criminals. Peace of mind. Knowing that your property is being monitored can give you peace of mind. This can be especially helpful if you live in a high-crime area or if you travel frequently. Reassurance. CCTV footage can reassure employees and customers that they are safe. This can lead to increased productivity and customer satisfaction. If you are considering installing CCTV cameras, can be a valuable investment in your security.